Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo Madam Ellen communicator de ma NPP amayoku no na Madam Ellen de ensem bia betudwa o kire His Excellency John Dramani Mahama onye serious asa na adwen no o kasa no we yi atofi adenti na Madam Ellen kasa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de ensem bia betudwa o kire Oye babu na waga na ha na da screen no soro na se wo kopa adwuma na obi ye na adwen so no be ye obesuso mu aka obedi nkosasama a kire se ye nkompa so a report no na nsem we beto odwa no na Madam Ellen na kire na John Dramani Mahama ne de na ha na
Abisiafo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Baby, I will be a mechiao. I hope so. Here. May the flyer be better so whether I'll add it or whatever. President Mahama, catch and say, as I say, a criminalize or more. Remember what be paid man, I'm ranting be paid man or how person only on what and sana one more wage man. But I have a simple question for His Excellency the President. Mr. President, Professor Gyampo is your appointee. Sex for Greats, University of Ghana, Professor Gyampo. He's your appointee for the Shippers Council. Prof, I was Shippers Council. Me pacho, where Jane ho, ebe ko bi fufurasem. How have you dealt with him? Obia or your sexual predator, a lecturer, one man ejuma. Osi enya den law ni evanya den. Mr. President, unye serious.
na eno na Madam Ellen kire Professor Gyampo when it comes to one obi adwuma for sex and I say great for sex and one no odi kan ona nso oba abem wa appoint no so shut the fuck up His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na me pese me can say you see John Dramani Mahama na when it comes to strategical just say or strategy papa no we stay the Ghana phone so who say Ghana for adwene embre say kontomre ti John Dramani Mahama when it comes to communication he's good at that or steady Ghana for na nse mi hu se wa akọ onam kwan ho taburo na nkrofo ehele no na he knows Ghanaians into 24-hour economy no promising onye ma ye but auto eburo wo kwan ho nku ade obi beka say John Dramani Mahama de oya selfless o obuade o yes John Dramani Mahama promises so oba free SHS home for this camber ebe my headmasters for no akodwoma akoto aponche na adwinam kosua mo fa be di pechen so dem no ka say mo fa ne nya aduane di wo school and so John Dramani Mahama ba akogina kwa ho so auto eburo e wo ordinary citizen ho okwakoto eburo awi no John Dramani Mahama de oya selfless o President no buade say ne yen refi say John Dramani Mahama share yen boss 24-hour economy or the ba na youth bi anya adwuma ye o man ni mu aye de 24-hour economy me no ka say ye ko 2 years omo ho dagu which you and I know say John Dramani Mahama can never deliver 24-hour economy. John Dramani Mahama share yen bo so obeyi ya kwan bebre na ono obeye go green book mi na green book na fa wanye miensa mienu bi na oye na etutu no so ba be so bai onfa ne say kai kwan bia o eso ogina kwan ho tabuo se na be ya Ghana fo be hu so oye selfless nti na kwan na o promises so be ye na onye ne ya forget it nti John Dramani Mahama no he knows the kind of people he's dealing with ayenye Ghana fo say adwen no enya adwuma nti onimi ye nti John Dramani Mahama 4 years obeye kokwasa sa na ma speech wo bedwem na John Dramani Mahama kasa hwe na ni din say o psychology wo school abi hu say man like or pathological liar. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I'm sorry to say this but papa ne kasa na o hwe nani ma ono hwe Ghana ni nani na ono na aka asem na o kana Ghana ni hu say asem na o kana yampa hwe na ba no ni me no It promises a John Dramani Mahama and NDC for promising ye na or the agunchain and all my motivational speech.
MPP about the lab say. About the Yamitem person me address kakra. Okay. Oh, the Council of State. Me person Obimpe, sorry. Apostle Obimpe. Me person me who advise Adema President Faka Galam say na ekoso because mo na mo ye advisors to the president. Number 2, me person me who say ye bu a gold board. me person me file so na me di Mr. President say ana Sami Gyampo say ye person ya audit ni ehu ba bia gold board for tom gold ni free o de kwaku say me dem di me bato ye person ya audit because we are audit na obetima kire say okay gold board ounce we ya tofi go small scale miners we no na you know omo bi omo de check ni ehu say ni essence ko ya audit I was small scale miners so much to be produced quantum now. Maybe I believe strongly say most of the gold that they are buying, I don't know full galamsey. Because galamsey for gold no more. Yes. It is a Muslim boadia. Mr. Mommy anya audit. Yanya Ghana for. Yanya audit in you. Na adia ba ko esem hu is the government no sika edi nkrofo animu and officer sika no and the oman ko animu. Gold no e finite. Utu gold no free ha. Next time, oko hobia go bi ani hobi. But who do cocoa dia febo, de bia beti. Anything that's a finite, no, yes, second, near two, near the development to chrome ha. Gold board, musika ni who baby a foul. Any who development be a because the electricity ni doom, in your skentia. And to go board pa, do my bed pa, na my baba ya. And I say, ye pijamon, said ye pijamon. Mr. Me heard it. Got it. Me here audit. So me audit no chire be do me gold.
And ye for RTI nko.
Aha. Send the RTI na de be ko se de be. Na entro na omadi from titi. Efa cathedral ho, efa nanado ho, efa oforiata ho, efa nkrofo omotinya sa MPP government be sit ne. Any some interpretation so de ma oral ni no ma de ba ye ni no ma de ba yi nyina no. Say ye hu se ni nyina ye ntro. Uni me call a friends of Baumia 08 national tour. Me call the boni as my NDC ni me ka chairman. Uni me say untimi ni ntro. Won't me find and continue votes to be on. How? Or say, if you be our north, there's an educated person.
Yes.
Oh, I call free SHS. It do call no church much in the bush for. Nay, then a buy. Then a buy. Ghana for one small be. Oh, one small be. You can't be in the Yaba do Louis. Because 2024, last year, 2024. Maybe no maybe to 2 ja. Efa president here otiwe hu me can sem be and no man ya statistic ye hu a roll out na se nyame amwayen na se kotonkrofo nsema ebe ha ye nyina na nti no se so de pese ye gidigidi ye nya bi ne ase ye kuro ene ye nyoma ye wo munya mu kokromoti ni ready if it's 100 votes kra so munya kra na chese maboa wo nti ye pay back time 2028 payback time in 2020. Now move get 2028 ni we so. Move make sure say move maintain a good government, a good party and a good government. Party wa abadaye. Mami explain bi nchira mo. From AIFRC, be see PNDC, be see NDC. Any friend NDC no. Omo metamorphose from AIFRC. Number PNDC and number NDC. Osha, I see educatia onofi. Domahama honofi atamils honofi to Austin honofi ato ahoy honofi chachichikata kojochikata all these people they were banned from this area no mobile until they don't have anything to offer they don't have the knowledge of ruling a people ye buga ye kun ye intimidate you ye yo say and omode buy me were a catalog of a new man omoko vetted to themselves.
Oh yes,
government institutions omo man na resu say bebre o okaya Martin tama president Kufuor nanado buy also tama no mo president Kufuor tama no you know they created 200 companies,
yes,
state companies omo ba back president nanado time that companies is there are other companies as well, very very strong companies. I sorry here what event saying
World Market Station.
Debbie, I sorry here what you know
Royal Chechana.
I feel fear.
I feel
steel. Steel works.
I want to
know. Sasa sitting na Juma never and I feel back on war Joe as a fan.
Since our miracle left him. by Perez.
What you
No, no, one look at the meat factory.
Correct. It is all your research who say and no more be what na government institutions create jobs. Tama na yi so no. Ye pon school nearby, ye make kwan nearby. Ye force you make part-time jobs. Because that's how koye. Because a microphone ni wa omo ye adwuma na busu. Enti na so kokoye. So omo ton sa nyoma nyina deplete Ghana asset base. But go for by wama san nyoma ya ma out ma the youth na mo ba no mo nyu sa that. But they have taken up say say mu na mu say these guys have got nothing to offer. And President Mahama is not going to do differently.
Exactly. And
he can't do differently. On one can say, on to me and man and stabilize on you know. It is a Konyani papa first can watch here. Now come back one manebu mine. But unfortunately, and go for Doma Bay now, I'm a novice. I'm to me, Yakubia, I'm failing to ask at 2016. Oma na yesa oma ba bi o say afi dem say nti me bisa question adam go for mo ko refresher school ana ana omo ko sua de wo ba bi ana omo ko gi some information bi I just say
omo ko I did college.
Yes.
Or how can you feel when the mabas have failed?
The gullibility of Ghana for muntie o mo amu tie muntie na na do no ba bi ofi ba ye of a very high level a family base. Ni papa no yeah, one of the best lawyers, barristers in the whole of Africa.
Yes.
Na barristers woman also. Ansa na oba be Ghana Chief Justice. Ansa na oba be ceremonial
president. Yes.
It no say first say here there. In the book. But on him say, ye ma me djuma se me nya. Me ye djuma ni.
High standards.
Yes, high standards. It always osima police for high standard. Bank of Ghana see high standard. Education for the youth, high standard.
Judges no residence so
high standard. Ono baby how do free ba. And on no ma metrasi be di fufu. Inti mama mo expect say mo president no obeni ba betrasi e be di fufu.
And akoto ku baby ni ade.
And I make say akọ asori dem ni aka o so you security